Hello, friends and followers. Here's a D-104 microphone that I picked up off of eBay, and people usually want to wire these things up, so I'm just posting this diagram as you may have a Rev 1 or so D-104. And here's the diagram of how it works and the color codes. At any rate, that translates to this board here. This one looks a bit crusty, but in good shape. At any rate, if you've bought one of these and you want to wire it, you would do well to use an ohm meter and simply trace the connections down and wire it to suit. This, of course, is under the base plate. 3 screws to take that off. You'll need a 9-volt battery to power the unit. This battery is, Radio Shack is pretty much no more, so that battery doesn't look too good. I'm lucky the battery didn't outgas and cause acid and alkaline to enter this thing. Anyway, this thing is, I paid about $100 for this thing on eBay without bidding because it looked rather flawless, and I think it is flawless. As far as things from the 70s go that haven't been beat up, this probably got put into a curio cabinet or something. It needs some work in that the switch makes a crunching sound, so I gotta take it apart, I guess. You shouldn't hear any sound from the switch. So yeah, these always need some work. Maybe clean off some of the crud on this thing, but the cable might be original. It seems pretty good. Somebody put a plug on here. I have a 10-tech radio coming back to me here soon that sold and the guy didn't like it or it didn't work or something, so this is the same plug as the 10-tech uses. I can probably switch some wires around and use this for testing out the 10-tech radio. I really bought this mic to use with the Apache and the Central Electronics, as people tell me the Electro Voice mic is too bassy, so that might be personal preference. I guess we'll see where it goes. I suppose I should make a mic adapter for this thing that will convert to the various plugs the radios use. I get tired of messing with plugs on mics. Usually I suppose a phone plug would work with tip and ring and all that, and then put that into a conversion box and then out to the respective radio's needs. I keep thinking I'm going to sell all these radios and not need to have microphones and stuff and just use a 7300 radio or something like that. I haven't done that yet. Anyway, yeah, D-104. I have another video on taking these apart, I think, but I guess I can make even another video of this one coming apart to service it. But here's the important part you want is the wiring diagram, which might be missing from your microphone, and I think I'm mumbling, so I'm carrying on. Anyway, have a nice day and enjoy your D-104.